Universal remote pairing allows you to control your Hisense TV using a single remote instead of multiple devices. This process has become much more streamlined and reliable in recent years. Hisense TVs from 2023 to 2025 offer significantly improved universal remote compatibility. The Vita platform has standardized remote protocols, while enhanced HDMI CEC support ensures better communication between devices. Modern universal remotes include advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone app integration, voice control capabilities, and automatic device detection. These features work seamlessly with Hisense's Vita Smart TV platform. For successful pairing, you need four essential elements: a clear line of sight between the remote and TV's infrared sensor, fresh batteries in the remote, verification that your universal remote supports Hisense brand, and access to programming codes for future reference. There are four main programming methods available. Direct code entry is the most reliable, using specific manufacturer codes. Auto search automatically scans through available codes. Brand search focuses on Hisense-specific codes, while the learning function allows the remote to copy commands from your original Hisense remote. The most common Hisense programming codes are 0073, 0182, 0216, 0848, 11314, and 4398. Try these codes in order during direct code entry programming. The direct code entry method has a 78% success rate, making it the preferred starting point for most users. Understanding these fundamentals will prepare you for successful universal remote programming with your Hisense TV. The combination of improved TV compatibility and modern remote features makes the pairing process more reliable than ever before. The direct code entry method is the most reliable way to program your universal remote with a Hisense TV. Let's walk through each step to ensure successful pairing. First, we need to prepare for programming. Make sure your Hisense TV is powered on manually and ensure your universal remote has fresh batteries installed. Next, we'll initiate programming mode. Press and hold the Setup or Code Search button on your remote until the LED indicator lights up. This signals that the remote is ready to accept programming commands. Now press the TV button to select Television mode. This tells the remote that we want to program it specifically for controlling a television rather than other devices. Enter the 4-digit Hisense code using the number pad. Common codes include 0073, 0182, 0216, 0848, 13214, and 4398. Try these codes in order until one works. After entering the code, the LED should turn off, indicating the code was accepted. Now test the essential functions: power, volume, and channel controls to verify successful programming. If the direct code entry doesn't work, don't worry. Try the auto search method, which automatically scans through available codes. This takes longer, but ensures compatibility. You can also use the learning function on advanced remotes to copy commands directly from your original Hisense remote. Once your remote is programmed, explore advanced features like macro programming to set up custom buttons